Are you ready to dive into the world of 3D printing? Look no further than the ultimate guide to 3D printing. From choosing the right printer to creating your first print, this comprehensive guide has got you covered. Join us on this exciting journey and unlock the endless possibilities of 3D printing. Subscribe now and let's get started. Welcome to our ultimate guide to 3D printing. 3D printing is a rapidly growing technology that allows you to create objects of virtually any shape or size. In this guide, we will cover everything you need to know about 3D printing, from choosing the right printer to creating your first print. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced 3D printing enthusiast, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in. What is 3D printing? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of 3D printing, let's first understand what it is. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating a physical object from a digital model. It involves laying down successive layers of material, such as plastic, metal, or even food, until the object is complete. 3D printing has revolutionized the way we manufacture objects, from prototyping to mass production, and has opened up new possibilities for innovation and creativity. Types of 3D printers. There are several types of 3D printers available in the market, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The most common types of 3D printers are fused deposition modeling, FDM, stereolithography, SLA, and selective laser sintering, SLS. FDM printers are the most popular type of 3D printer, as they are affordable and easy to use. SLA printers use a liquid resin that is cured by a UV light to create objects with high levels of detail. SLS printers use a laser to sinter powdered material, such as metal or nylon, to create durable and precise objects. Choosing the right 3D printer. Choosing the right 3D printer can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. There are several factors to consider, such as budget, printing speed, print quality, and ease of use. Before you buy a 3D printer, make sure to do your research and read reviews from other users. Consider your budget and what you plan to use the printer for, whether it's for personal projects or professional work. 3D printing software. To create a 3D print, you will need a 3D modeling software that can generate a digital model of the object you want to print. Some popular 3D modeling software includes Tinkercad, Fusion 360, and SketchUp. Once you have created the model, you will need to slice it into layers using a slicing software, such as Cura or Simplify 3D. The slicing software will generate a G-code file that tells the 3D printer how to print the object. 3D printing materials. There are several materials available for 3D printing, including plastic, metal, and even food. The most common material used in 3D printing is PLA, polylactic acid, which is a biodegradable and easy to print. ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, is another popular material that is more durable and heat-resistant. Other materials like nylon, PETG, and TPU offer different properties and are suitable for different applications. Make sure to choose a material that is compatible with your 3D printer and meets the requirements of your project. 3D printing techniques. There are several techniques you can use to improve the quality and speed of your 3D prints. One of the most important techniques is calibration, which involves adjusting the printer's settings to ensure accurate and precise printing. Another technique is to use support structures, which are temporary structures used to hold up overhanging parts of the print. You can also use infill patterns to adjust the strength and weight of the print, and post-processing techniques to improve the surface finish and appearance of the print. Creating your first print. Now that you have chosen your 3D printer, software, and materials, it's time to create your first print. Start by finding a simple model online, such as a keychain or a phone stand, and load it into your slicing software. Adjust the settings, such as the layer height and infill density, and generate the G-code file. Load the file into your printer and watch as it begins to print. Be patient and don't hesitate to make adjustments as needed. Once the print is finished, remove it from the build plate and admire your creation. Congratulations! You have now completed our ultimate guide to 3D printing. We hope you found this guide informative and helpful in your 3D printing journey. Remember to always stay curious and keep experimenting with new techniques and materials. Happy printing! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. See you in the next video.